You don't ever get the culture if you're just mediocre. You do things at a high level and you do things to be excellent. It's hard, it's a lot of work, there's obstacles, it's worth all of that. The pride you take and the sense of satisfaction, you don't ever know what that feels like if you're just mediocre. We were tasked with the challenge of designing our very first home show booth, and this was cool. I think we knocked it out of the park. Not my opinion, other people told us. Humble brag, humble brag, humble brag. This was surprising on a couple fronts. One, it was an incredible team bonding experience, and typically when you're asking people to help you and work hard and stay late and come early, you don't envision that as being the team bonding experience of the year, but it was so much fun. We were putting our creative energies together, we were putting our construction energies together. It felt really special. So one of the sales guys comes to me and he goes, having the booth that weekend felt like pulling up in a Lamborghini. The design concept behind the booth, we sat down, we did some brainstorming sessions of, you know, how do we want to face to people? And the days of like just drapes and a printed cheap sign are over, especially if you're on the higher end of the market and you want to cater to people and pique their interest, and then you also got to showcase what's new. How do we do all those things and it not feel cluttered? And then how do we make the booth inviting and attractive? And my immediate thought was, well, let's just borrow the office walls. In the office, when I was designing this place and decorating, I thought, you know, it'd be really cool to just have it on the wall. As we're chatting about those desires, I think it was Billy who was like, well, why don't we just bring this whole office to the booth? And it's like, yep, we're gonna take the office because we wanna show people who we are. And I wanna show, not tell. And the subtext and hopefully the signal was, guys, if we're putting this much time into our booth and this much creative thought and detail and attention to detail just into the booth, imagine how much more we're going to do that to your home. And then I also wanted to signal parts of the culture. So we took a bookcase. We're not selling books, but I wanted to signal to people there's something deeper with this company. There's a lot of thought. These guys are continually trying to improve. They're interested in thinking well. And part of the reason that's such a big part of the culture and why we have this library is the more we better ourselves and become better as humans, then the more we're able to serve our clients in a better way. Our knowledge increases, our critical thinking skills increase, the way we solve problems increases, our emotional intelligence increases, our communication skills, and we're just constantly trying to sort of get that better, and then the end result is we end up serving people better. If you say that to somebody, they don't believe you. I wanted to just subtext, hey, look around, read between the lines, and that was a really important part of the booth for us. And I think it's why everybody took so much pride in the end result, is like, you could feel it. And that's what excellence does. You do things at a high level and you do things to be excellent. It's hard, it's a lot of work, there's obstacles, it's worth all of that. Because the pride you take and the sense of satisfaction you feel, you don't ever know what that feels like if you're just mediocre.